Welcome to our Partner Quick Start Guide. In this second video tutorial, we'll show you how to add and manage your network members in the Partner platform. These are the partner organizations that you'll send your network survey to later on in the project. First, begin by opening the project you're working on from your Partner homepage. Then, navigate to the Network Manager by clicking Members in the project menu at the top of your page. This will bring you to the Member Summary page. When you log in for the first time, you won't have any members in your network just yet. To start adding members, click Add Members in the Setup Guide or just below and to the left. This will bring you to the new member page. Fill in all of the required information for your network member on the left, like their name and email address. Then, we recommend you fill in the optional network member information as well, like their address and attributes. This allows you to use GIS mapping and other analysis features later on. Click Save when you're finished, or Save and Add New to continue adding more members. To add numerous members at one time, click Download Template to download a member template Excel spreadsheet. Fill in information about each of your network members in the spreadsheet, following the pre-formatted column types. When you're ready, re-upload it using the button Import from File to add all your network members at the same time. You can click Preview to see how your members will appear and make sure your data is correctly formatted. To edit a member, click the submenu to the right of each member and click Edit Member. Edit the information and click Save to edit. To remove a member, click the submember to the right and click Delete Respondent. You can select and delete numerous members using the Bulk Action button. Once your members have been created, you're ready to create and assign additional attributes for your network members. We'll dive into that topic in our next video.